Multiplier method for offset bends. The first step in bending an offset rise is measuring the offset rise needed. This measurement represents the distance from the bottom of the conduit to its supporting surface. Once the offset is known, the next step is choosing the bend angle. If the space for the bend is very tight, a 45-degree bend may be required. However, a smaller bend angle, such as a 30-degree bend, is generally preferred to make it easier to pull wire. Once the bend angle is chosen, the next step is calculating the distance between bends. The distance between bends is the product of the offset and the multiplier. After the distance between bends is calculated, the next step is marking the bend locations. Place a pencil mark on the conduit where the first bend is to be made. Measure from the first mark to the location of the second mark and place another pencil mark there. Align the first pencil mark with the arrow on the conduit bender and place the conduit and bender squarely on the floor. Use heavy foot pressure on the heel of the bender and pull up on the bender handle. After the first bend is made, the second bend can be made. Turn the bender upside down, resting the handle solidly on the floor. Move the conduit in the bender until the second mark is aligned with the arrow on the bender. Rotate the conduit in the bender so that it is now turned 180 degrees from its original position. Sight down the conduit and observe the first bend relative to the conduit that remains in the bender shoe, as well as the bender handle. The second bend must be aligned with the first to keep the bends in the same plane. Start the second bend by applying hand pressure to the conduit as near to the bender shoe as possible. Make a small bend about 5 degrees to 10 degrees and check the alignment of the two bends. Stop bending before the bend reaches the full bend amount. Turn the bender over so that the conduit is back on the floor. Complete the bend on the floor. Verify the accuracy of the offset by measuring the amount of rise actually created by the bends. Inspect the offset to verify that the bends were made correctly and the bends are in the same plane.